Welcome to CiaoTool's Robinhood Market Making tutorial. CiaoTool automates Uniswap V2/V3 transactions with multi-wallet execution, flexible intervals, and smart stop conditions to boost on-chain activity for tokens on Robinhood Chain. It replaces manual wallet switching and per-transaction confirmation with a single-page dashboard for centralized configuration, execution, and monitoring, reducing repetitive work and simplifying strategy management. The first step is to bind your wallet. Please click the button in the upper right corner to bind a wallet that supports the Robinhood chain. After binding, go to the Market Making page and first enter the Market Making token address. You can choose to enter the token address directly or select from the list of tokens owned by the current wallet for buy operations, and click the middle arrow to quickly switch the exchange target. Please note that unlike V2 liquidity pools, each V3 liquidity pool with a different token pair and fee tier has its own unique pair address. So please enter the correct pair address to select the exchange pair. Next, set the transaction amount. In fixed amount mode, all wallets exchange tokens for the specified token according to a unified amount. In fixed retention mode, all wallets retain a specified amount of the token and exchange the rest for the specified token. In full amount mode, all wallets will exchange all available tokens for the specified token. Then fill in the transaction interval, which refers to the execution interval between each wallet's buy or sell orders, simulating real trading through a random time range. Next, import the private key of the wallet used to pay the transaction fees for the market making. Adjust the transaction speed according to actual needs. The faster the speed, the higher the fee consumption. Then set the stop condition. In runtime mode, the market making bot will stop when the imported wallets have executed up to the specified threshold number of cycles. In price range mode, the market making bot will stop when the market making token price moves outside the specified range. To ensure the strategy executes properly, please keep the web page running in the background. This feature is not recommended for use on mobile electronic devices. After setting the parameters, import the private keys of the trading wallets. Click the Import Private Key button, then manually enter the private keys in the pop-up input box. Or import a private key file. You can download the template file for private keys, fill it in according to the format, and import it. After confirming the private keys are displayed in the confirmation box, click Confirm. Before submitting the task, please carefully review all parameters. The page will display all usage fees before execution. After confirming that all information is correct, click the Start Swap button below and wait for the trading process to complete.